Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video I'll show you how to generate QR code in Adobe Illustrator so you can create professional QR codes directly inside your design without using any external website. Let's walk through the steps in a clear and simple way. For step 1, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, or open the design where you want to add your QR code. This sets up your workspace and gets everything ready for generating the code. For step 2, go to the window menu and scroll down to extensions or plugins depending on your Illustrator version. Look for the QR code generator option, which may come built in or from an installed plugin. For step 3, enter the website link, text, or any data you want to encode inside the QR code. This input will determine what information appears when someone scans your QR code. For step 4, adjust the settings such as size, color, and error correction level if the generator provides options. These settings help you control how the QR code looks and how reliably it can be scanned. For step 5, click the Generate button and Illustrator will place a vector QR code directly on your artboard. You can resize it, recolor it, or position it anywhere in your layout, just like any other vector element. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.